All right, what's up, YouTube? This is some bull crap. Hey, I'm still here. I'm still here. I'm just gonna be recording the video. So as you can see, I'm playing some Warzone. Someone just texted me or messaged me on YouTube, said, "How's your Scuf controller holding up?" Well, it was holding up until I got that message yesterday, and now if you look closely, my right paddle right here is cracked. And that's just from pressing the buttons, over 1,000 times probably. So as you heard about Scuf controller and Prestige, it is true. The paddles will not hold up. The paddles are made out of plastic. So now if I press here, as you can see, well, you can't really see there, but if I press here, it doesn't engage the button. If I press here, it still will. A lot of people say that the controllers or the paddles actually break off. Mine hasn't broke off yet, but as you can see, it's about to. So I'm going to do two things. One, I'm going to super glue it. Yes, some people say just take this left paddle here or right paddle here and switch them if you don't use your inside paddles, but I do use all my paddles. So that kind of sucks for me. When it does come to, you all know my password. When it does come to Scuf Prestige, they do sell replacements for $12.99. I'm not going to do it. Well, actually, I might buy Scuf replacements. But you know what else I'm going to do? What if I 3D printed some metal ones? My buddy said if they're metal, they will last a lot longer. So I'm going to see if I can get some schematics, and I'm going to 3D print some Scuf controllers, Scuf paddles. And if you guys are interested, if I do come up with them, they will be linked below. They're not linked below now, but they will be linked below if you want to purchase them because it's a needed thing. It's definitely needed. These need to be metal. Plastic is stupid. So that's my update. Other than that, the Scuf controller is working great. All right. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.